Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Trading Fee Rebate Voucher. Activate your voucher in account settings now before you place trades, so rebates apply immediately. I will walk you through locating voucher codes, selecting which voucher to redeem, and checking how rebates appear in your fee statements. By the end, you will confidently apply vouchers, compare voucher types, and verify savings on both maker and taker fees. To start, open your Binance account and go to the voucher or rewards section to see active offers and details. Tap Activate on the voucher you want, then return to trading to confirm your selected voucher is applied. Remember that some vouchers auto-apply, while others must be manually selected at trade confirmation, so always verify the rebate indicator before submitting an order to avoid missing savings. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and complements disciplined trading and savings strategies. It's an easy read with clear advice you can apply alongside rebate savings habits. Check the description for the link and any deals, then grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. Think strategically by matching voucher terms to your trading style, choosing higher % rebates for larger trades and smaller vouchers for frequent low-volume trades. Always check minimum trade size, eligible products, and whether maker or taker fees qualify so you avoid surprises. After trading, review your fee history to confirm rebates were applied and to calculate actual savings so you can refine voucher use for future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.